Is your computer secretly sabotaging your productivity? Are mysterious programs launching on their own, hogging resources and driving you crazy? Well, put an end to the chaos. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Are you tired of dealing with unwanted software launching automatically on your computer, slowing it down and consuming resources? In today's video, we'll show you how to easily stop auto-starting software and take back control of your PC's startup process. If you're new here, consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tutorials, tips, and tricks. We regularly upload content to help you get the most out of your technology. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Now let's dive in. On your computer keyboard, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, and the Task Manager windows will pop up on your screen. Now, click on Startup and you'll see a list of programs like Microsoft Edge, Copilot, LinkedIn, and others. From the list, identify a program you want to disable from AutoStart when you turn on your PC. From the status column of the program you want to disable, right-click and then click on Disable option. Do the same to other programs. You may also want to enable a program to automatically start when you turn on computer. Repeat the same procedures, but this time you'll click on the Enable option. If like this video, comment and share it to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe so that not to miss our next video. Thank you.